Here we go. So you're going to just do a weight transfer, okay, back and forth, just to slowly get that heart rate up. And if you don't want to do, you don't have to jump anything that we're doing today, okay, not necessary, all right? So you can just go back and forth or do a weight transfer like so. Keep your core tight. I can hear the water in my belly jiggling. Hope you guys can hear me. I'm going to try and speak a little bit louder, okay? But I want you guys having that music going to keep that motivation up nice and high. Okay? Good. And then I want you to plant those feet. Hands behind your head. Feet are about shoulder width apart. We're going to go into a good morning, okay? And squeeze the glutes, pushing the hips forwards, feeling the stretch at the back of the legs. Keep the chest elevated and lifted. You guys know this one if you train with me. So squeeze those glutes. I just heard a little getting the kinks out, little pop crack. Okay? Feel that stretch through the back of the legs. Keeping the core engaged, drive through the heels, squeezing those glutes as hard as you can, and you should start to feel some warmth in the back of the legs. Okay, give me 2 more. And last one. Good, and I'm going to get you to go into a reverse lunge now, just one leg, and you're going to tap it in. So you're going to go down, and then just tap the foot in. Okay, so back, dropping the back knee, and tap. If you have any knee issues, what you can do is not bend the knee quite as much and lean forwards a little bit more. Okay, but otherwise, drop that back knee right down and tap it in. Deep breaths in and out. Give me 2 more. Good, and you can stay right where you are and change legs. Okay, so back and tap it in. So just warming up here. Okay, we want to go slow and gradual, increasing that heart rate, nice and easy, driving through the heel of the foot. If you're just joining us, make sure that you have water, a chair, and some free weights if you need them, okay? You don't need them. Good, give me 1 more. Good, and we're going to do a standing rotation. So arms out in front. You're going to twist and turn the torso, lifting the back heel. Okay, like so. Keep your core nice and tight. Okay, you don't want to force the movements ever. Keep it nice and controlled. And some of these movements, what you want to do in your warm-up is similar movements that you're going to be doing through your workout. Good, give me 1 more each side. Good. Okay, we're going to plant those feet nice and wide. So we're going to do a sumo squat, okay? So what I want you to do, depending on how flexible your hips are, you might have to bring your feet in a little bit more narrow, or you can go wide. We want you to go nice and low, okay? So toes slightly turned out, drive your bum backwards. This is one of the exercises we're going to be doing today. Okay, so drive your rear end back, drive through the heels, and squeeze. Keep that core tight. I'll show you from the side. So it's not a plie. You want to hinge forward from your hips. Okay, and then drive through the heels and squeeze. Keep going. I want you just to make sure you're taking those deep breaths in and out. I want you to squeeze those glutes. Okay, you can feel a little bit of a stretch through the glutes and hammies at the bottom and then squeezing up. Good, give me 2 more. Good, and last one. Good, I'm going to get you to lower onto your knees, and we're just going to go do some kneeling push-ups, okay? So hands planted, core tight. Make sure that your chest is in line with your hands as you lower, okay? So core engaged, just nice and controlled. Again, slow movements can be far more effective than going super, super quick and using momentum. Okay, so keep going down and up. Keep it up. I just want to make sure we're all good. Hey, guys. You guys are doing great, okay? Okay, keep going. So push up, down and up, down and up. Give me 1 more. Good. Now plant those hands. Come into a quadruped position. Okay, we're just going to do a bird dog. So make sure you have some room here. Opposite arm and leg, reaching out. And this is the last exercise in your warm up. So I want you to squeeze that core and make sure that you're keeping the arm, like reach out with your arm and leg as if someone's pulling on it in the opposite direction, and watch those hips aren't shifting up and down, okay? So reach and reach. Okay, give me 2 more. So 1 on the right and 1 on the left. Good. I'm gonna get you to come up. We're gonna get your heart rate up just a little bit more before we get into it, okay? Into your first circuit. So you're gonna give me jumping jacks. Okay, nice and big. Okay, core tight. Up and down. Make sure those knees are soft. I swear, can you hear it? I hope you can hear the water jiggling in my belly. Because I can hear it. Amongst Sai crying. Okay, give me 4 more. 3, 2, okay, and then I want you to run your knees high, okay? We're gonna go 20 seconds.